Welcome. So in this video I'm gonna teach you or show you how to turn on and turn off your restricted mode on YouTube. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then go to youtube.com and then log into your account if you have one. Then after that, you want to click your profile, as you can see here on the upper right side of your screen beside the bell button. And then, as you can see here on the section below, there's a section called or says restricted mode. So right here, you can just toggle this switch on if you want to turn on your restricted mode. And then if you don't know what's restricted mode is, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This settings is only applies to this browser. So restricted mode lock prevents others from changing the restricted mode settings on this browser. So let's lock restricted mode on in this browser. So if you want to turn off your restricted mode, just click that switch. And then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.